We are working on PowerPoint Multi-Project 2, currently working on the Business Camp project. Task 1 asks us to go ahead and configure the printing options to print slides 1, 3, and 4. Now, this one's a little bit tricky, but what we have to do is select all of these slides at the same time before we go to the print. So we have one selected. We need to go ahead and hold our Control key down on our keyboard, and as we're holding Control down, we're going to select slide 3 and slide 4. Notice I have the border around slides 1, 3, and 4 now. Now I can click File, Print, and we're going to go ahead and, we don't want to print all slides, but we're actually going to select Print Selection. And we now have these 3 slides. Now, if you did not select all 3 slides, only one slide will show. Once we've done that, we can go ahead and click the back arrow to go back to our PowerPoint presentation. We'll click Mark Completed. Step 2 asks us to go ahead and prepare this presentation to be printed in grayscale. So we're actually going to click File again. We're going to go back to Print, and we're going to change at the bottom right here under Settings. We're going to go from color to grayscale. And notice that the color is now taken away from here, and it's going to print in grayscale. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 3 asks us to go back to our presentation, so we will click this back arrow here, and we are going to slide 4. And we're going to go ahead and select this list because we're going to break it into 2 columns. On the Home tab, we're going to go ahead and click this right here. And don't click this because we need to make sure that we have the 0.5 space, and we're actually going to click More Columns. We'll select 2 here, and this is 0.5, so we'll keep that. We'll click OK. We'll click Mark Completed. Task 4 asks us to go to the SmartArt graphic on slide 5, and we're actually going to add a bullet. So we'll click this, and we'll click this little fly box to open our text pane. And in between invite students from course and get accepted to camp, we're going to go ahead and type the text enroll students. So I'm going to go ahead and hit enter right here. You could also add the bullet points from the design tab on the SmartArt ribbon part and click add bullet, but I just went ahead and clicked enter, and we'll type in enroll students. And notice I've capitalized both the E and the S. We'll click Mark Completed. And Task 5 asks us to go to the last slide, and we have this picture of a Microsoft certificate. So we'll go ahead and click that, and we're going to go to the Animations tab, and right here in the Effect Options, we're going to go ahead and select Square, and notice it changes the pattern of the animation. We'll click Mark Completed.